Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding on the volume up. When you see this no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the appeared menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you can select an option. You should select an option reboot to bootloader, and after that device will be restarted. In this so-called bootloader, as you can see, it says like fast boot mode, so that's how you can enter it. So when you're done using this so-called boot mode, to quit it, just long press power key for 8 seconds to exit this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.